Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another great review. This is from Nixplay.com. This is the Nixplay Smart Photo Frame. You can get it in several different versions. This particular version we're reviewing right now is the 9.7-inch Wi-Fi, and it's in an 2K Ultra mode. This is model W10E. You can also get it in a 10.1-inch, a 13.3-inch, a 15.6-inch as well, in two different finishes, a metal and a black. You can see the metal one that we have, and it looks really beautiful. So this is some of their newest photo frames that are out. You can take and see some of the ones we reviewed in the past in the Chris Voss Show. Just search over there. These guys make really intelligent frames where you can take and share your photos with your friends, family, and upload them through apps, and you can share those apps, email, computer, whatever it is. You can load in your photos to the frame, and whoever the loved one is you're sharing this with, maybe it's yourself and your family, you guys can enjoy those photos. And they play a variety of different ways. There's different ways of combination, spooling them through and then displaying them on the screen, whether it's sliding them in from the top, the sides, or bringing in through different customizations. You can do that as well. The particular size on the the one 9.7 that we've been using is 9.76 inches by 7.83 inches. Weighs just 570 grams. It's not heavy at all. And it's got a screen resolution. This is really important because these are the new ones they have that are 2K, 2048 by 1536 resolution. So aspect ratio of 4.3. The brightness is 350 CD/M2, and it supports photo formats of JPEG. So you've got that. The storage and available memory is 8 gigabytes, 1 gigabyte of RAM. It's got sensors on it, so it knows when you walk by. It doesn't sit and run all day. It has motion sensors. So it's got an infrared sensor with a hue motion sensor for active range of 2.5 meters with a G sensor that tells whether or not you're running landscape or you're running portrait. You can move the frame either way, and the little cable on the back actually acts as a stand. The speakers are 2x 2-watt mono, and it runs on Nixplay OS 7. They have their own OS, if you will. It runs on wireless 802.11bgn, and it does a really great job, and it really looks beautiful. You just easily upload your photos to it and use the app that you have through the mobile device, and away you go. Or you can use a computer or email. I got to tell you, these things are really beautiful. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and I think you'll like them. These are great gifts for this time of year because you can keep grandma loading in those pictures for her and everything else so she can see all the things the grandkids doing. And as it spools back and forth through all the customizations you can take and do, the timing and everything, she can enjoy seeing all the pictures of everything that's going on. I love it. I can see all the great pictures reminding me of my different dogs and things of that nature as well. So I highly recommend the product. It works really well and it's beautiful. It doesn't take a lot of work to take and set up. It's very simple and easy to use. And wow, 2K, so you're going to see really your beautiful pictures that you're taking, and sometimes 4K format these days with your phone. You're going to see them really beautifully displayed on this device. Go to Nixplay.com, check out the Nixplay Smart Photo Frame, the new Wi-Fi 2K versions, and available in 4 different sizes. Highly recommend them. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.